to another video. Today we have Milwaukee tools at Napa. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yep, that's the way. Pretty much we got Milwaukee in the Napa. So if you guys don't know, Milwaukee, Napa started selling Milwaukee not too long ago, and they do have some deals. So that's what we're going to be going over today. So we got air and power tools. I believe this is to, okay, I'll give you guys the expiration date. I believe is all this month. You guys could get all these deals all this month. So right here on the top, you got Milwaukee purchases qualifying M18 Fuel combo kit. So basically, you have to buy a $869 combo kit. But just wait, because you're getting an M18 Fuel Auto 2-piece combo kit. It says includes the 2767-20 half-an-inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring. And it does include a 2960-20 3/8 mid torque impact wrench with friction ring. And it does include the M18 red lithium ×2, by the way. So you get two 5-amp-hour battery packs, multi-bolted charger, belt clip, and contractor bag. So you're basically getting all this for $869 plus. You're getting a free tool. So yeah, you got the choice. Get one free. Basically, it's $199. You get great $199 value. You get the M18 red lithium high output 8-amp-hour battery pack, or you can get the M18 the M18 4.5-5 grinder with paddle switch, no lock. And then you got the item number here at the bottom, 2780-20. And then you can choose to get a $139 value M18 Fuel half-an-inch drill driver. Item number 2803-20. So basically, you guys could get. I would definitely go for this battery. I would definitely shoot for this battery. This battery is like $200 by itself. In some places, it's $220. I would definitely shoot for this battery. You're pretty much paying only $600 for this. $669 if you're getting this battery for free. So once you put everything together, it comes out, you're saving some money. All right, the next round here, we got another qualifying purchase, M12 kits. So you basically can buy any of these M12s and get this for free. So the first one is $329 M12 rivet tool kits. Includes two M12 red lithium CP 1.5 amp hour batteries, packs, chargers, 4 nose pieces, 3 30-seconds, 1/8, 5 32s, 3 16s belt hook, contractor bag. And then you can choose this $249 M12 variable speed polisher sander. This is a really nice tool. I wish I could have it. I need to get it. You got 2430-22X. Looks like an X. It says kit includes one M12 red lithium 3-amp-hour battery pack and one M12 red lithium 1.5 amp hour. So 1.5 and a 3.0 and a charger. And then the next one down is an M12 3-inch compact cutoff tool kit, 2522-21XC, I believe. It is a cutoff tool, like a multi-material cutoff tool. Kit includes one lithium battery, 4-amp-hour battery pack, and a charger, dust accessory shoe, 3 accessory blades, metal cutoff, carbide abrasive diamond tile, blade, wrench, and contractor bag. So it does include some different blades, as you guys see here. You got $179 value M12 half-an-inch drill driver kit. This includes one M12 red lithium 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery pack, a charger, belt clip, carrying case. And then this one, it's $169 value. So I would definitely, you know, these are really low on price. Plus you're getting this for free. That's a great deal. $169. M12 1/4 hex impact driver kit. It is the fuel, so all these are the fuel except for these two. But it says impact driver kit 2553-22 kit includes 2 red lithium 2 amp hour batteries, a charger in a bag, belt clip, carrying case. All right, the tools you get for free with these kits. It says get one free, $130 value, M12 3/8 ratchets. So you get this ratchet. It's not the fuel, but it's a M12 ratchet. Or you can get the $99 red lithium 6 amp hour battery. Or you can get the $79 rubber floodlight. So that's it for that. And excuse me if I'm not reading it, you know, correctly or fast or whatnot, because this is really hard to read. The red and the white it really makes my eyes just. Anyways, purchase qualifying fuel, M18 Fuel tool only. All right. So the first one, we got the M18 Fuel 1 key 3/4 high torque impact wrench with friction ring. The next one down, you got the M18 Fuel 1/2 inch torque impact wrench with friction ring. This is the one that I have. I love this gun. Yeah, this gun's so powerful. You couldn't believe anything you put on this gun will just break it loose, basically. And this one's the same, should be the same. 219. This is the M18 Fuel 1/2 inch mid torque impact wrench with friction ring. And then you got the M18 Fuel 3/8 with mid torque impact wrench with friction ring. So you got the 3/8, the 1/2 inch. And then you got the M18 Fuel 1/2 inch compact impact wrench with friction ring. And then you got the 3/8 compact impact wrench with friction ring. So you got a Gen 2 and Gen 3 basically. And then you got some tools here at the bottom. So M18 Fuel hacksaw. Or you can get the angle grinder, 4.5-5 angle grinder paddle switch. Or you can get the metal cutting circular saw. And then you can get this for free basically. If you buy any of these tools, they qualify for this free. So this is the M18 red lithium 5 amp hour battery pack. Not too bad. Alright, the bottom one is the purchase qualifying M12 Fuel Only. So this is the tool only. So the first one's the oscillating multi-tool, 149, 1/4 right angle die grinder. And then M12 Fuel 3/8 stubby impact wrench. Or you can get the 1/2 inch stubby impact wrench, or you can get the 3/8 ratchets, the Fuel 3/8. These are all fuel. And you can get any of these for free. So all these qualify for a 4 amp hour battery. So this is another great deal here. Definitely check them out. You got special price, limited quantities while supplies last. You got M18 wet and dry vacuum kit. Kit includes red lithium 5 amp hour battery pack and a multi-voltage charger. Nice. Got to purchase this qualifying battery pack, $99, $99.99. Red lithium 6 amp hour battery pack. So, oh yeah, so if you buy one of these big batteries, you get a small one for free. This is a 3 amp hour battery. So this got some great deals, guys. Go check out your Napa if you have one nearby. Prices are good through March 31st, 2021. For complete product descriptions, Napa tool equipment catalog. So yeah, guys, this is the catalog. This is the Milwaukee deals that they got going on at Napa. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.